This is Carmine from Umberto's, and this is Cooking with Carmine. Today I'm here with my good friend Jean, and we're gonna be making chicken Gabriella. So I already have 2 pieces of chicken. We're gonna start out with 1 piece of prosciutto. We're gonna put the breast of chicken right on top of that. I'm gonna take some asparagus that I already blanched, 2 pieces, gonna put it dead center. I'm gonna take some mozzarella, put it right there. A little bit of our pesto that we make at the restaurant. Start to roll it, and then you're gonna roll back. And now we're gonna take a little tin, and we're gonna put that in an oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. We're gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna start out with a little butter. We're gonna add shallots and deglaze the pan with a little wine. We're gonna add a little salt, pepper, parsley. Now we're gonna add a little stock. Now we're gonna take the liquid that we got from the chicken cooking in the oven. I'm gonna add that in. Now we're gonna add our chicken. My friend Jean is gonna plate the chicken, and I'll finish it with the sauce. For my good friend Jean and myself, bon appetit.